Welcome to Ishi. This is our first video on kurtis for casual wear and office wear. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. The channel name is Ishi Clothings. Now let us start. The first thing in this, it's a light color based, good for office wear. Very nice embroidery on this. Wash and wear item. And the sizes available in this are M, L, XL and double XL. There's even one more color in this. There's a light yellow color. And the similar thing we have got in rayons. Rayons with a little touch of handwork, which gives a semi-casual look in this. You can wear it for small parties also. They look very elegant and pleasant also. And this also we have got colors, and the sizes again available are M, L, XL and double XL. There's one more color in this, mustard yellow in this. You can pair it with a bright pink legging also. The range is 630. In this also same similar range, 630. We've got one more item with collar neck and hand embroidery in this. There are colors also in this, and the sizes available are again M, L, XL and double XL. Some care has to be taken about washing at this for the handworks. Other embroideries you can always wash and wear. There are colors in this. You get a dark green color in this, bottle green color, and you get a brown color also in this. Coming up with one more item with very soothing colors, which you can pair it with off-white leggings or any color you choose which is there in the matching. Nice embroidery in this. The fabric is also very smooth and good. It comes with a collar neck, and the sizes again available are M, L, XL and double XL. Even this, there are colors in this, and the price is 720. You find a light beige color in this and a yellow color in this. And the similar thing again in rayon with totally machine embroidery. This is a machine washable stuff. You can wash it in machine. Nice collar neck. There's one buta on the over here, and there's one buta on the flare also. Again, the sizes available are M, L, XL, double XL, and the colors are little green and light green in this. Coming up to our next range, this is in totally handworks and cottons. Nice, very elegant ones. Totally handwork in this with resham work on this. The price range is 970. Again, the fabric is again cotton based, which is washable again. Less of maintenance in this. And the price range is 970. The sizes available are M, L, XL and double XL. That was with lines, and this is a plain one in this. Again, a similar kind of handwork given into this. These are basically all single colors, and you find all the sizes in this, M, L, XL and double XL, with nice handworks. Decent for office wear. On similar lines, you find this, which I am showing you earlier also. And this also all the colors available, like all the sizes available, like M, L, XL and double XL. The price is 970. This is on plain cottons again. A big buta on the front. Nice hand embroidery in this. Sleeves are also a little different, you find in this. These are the sleeves in this. Sizes available M, L, XL and double XL. The price is 970 again. This is in rayon. Again, handwork in this. Easy to maintain. The price is 940. Sizes available are ML, XL and XXL. This is in pure cotton. You get small buttas on the neck over here with fancy buttons with work on it, and these are the sleeves. Bell sleeves on this. Sleeves have work over here. Very fine cotton. The range is $9.90. Again, the sizes available are M, L, XL and XXL. I'll show you some ranges in ikats also. This is in pure cotton with a small ikat patch on the neck. Fabric is very nice with small buttons given here, thick fabric. Button up sleeves on this. The range is $4.90 and the sizes available are M, L, XL and XXL. Even this is an ikat. Nice flare on this. Front and back, same ikat given in this. Good for office wear, comfortable. Sizes available M, L, XL, XXL. These are all single colors. The price is $9.90 range. This is our blockbuster item which we have been selling. It's a high-low design in this. Getting different permutations and combinations of this ikats in this. Sizes available are again M, L, XL and XXL. There's a small back neck is also given in this. Very fine item. The price is $1,060, size M, L, XL, XXL. Even this is an ikat, a very new item. It's in a flare, short length flare in this. You get with spaghettis in this, and there's an overcoat on this. It's totally ikat material in this. There's an overcoat on this. This is the look what you get on this. That's all for friends today. Please, this is $13.90 range and the size again available are M, L, XL and XXL. That's all from friends today, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can get you more designs on this. Thank you very much.